to reach the youth of the Lehigh Valley to find the best talent coming through the pipeline. Chris, what do you have for us?
Hear ye, all ye scholars of the schools of the Lehigh Valley. Consider ye the mighty realm of manufacturing.
I think we need a Gen Z consulting firm.
Do you ever see these road signs on the highway or in your town preventing you from crashing out?
Did you ever wonder where they come from or where they get their power from?
Come on, chat. These signs work in the sun, the rain, and even the dark.
These boards are made right here in the Lehigh Valley at a place called SolarTech.
Let's see what these workers from SolarTech have to say.
What up, chat? I'm Jonathan Hampshire. I would say a lot of people might think it's just standing there at an assembly line, monotonous, doing the same thing over and over again, and it's not. I am constantly running around doing all sorts of crazy different things from day to day. SolarTech is a low-key fire company.
What's up, brothers? It's your boy Chad Owens. Solar-powered road signs benefit the environment by being clean energy, so there's no pollution. 33 years ago, they were all diesel-powered. They polluted a lot, and it required a lot of maintenance and effort, where our signs continue to run year-long without any other intervention. Don't simp for those other companies. Lock in on SolarTech and make bank.
It's a bussin' board.
It's not just dudes. Baddies can work here too.
I'm Jessica Allen. I'm the assistant controller here. I work in the finance department. I actually love manufacturing. It's just so interesting watching the boards go from one side just being like metal, getting them welded, getting the components installed, seeing the engineers do all of their work. It is so fascinating watching it all go from nothing to the completed boards out in the parking lot. Just give me my money.
My name's Archie Davino. I'm the production supervisor. After high school, I went to a 2-year trade school, found interest in metal fabrication, started doing that, and here we are. In order for these signs to work, the sun needs to lock in for real, for real.
You can change what the sign says from a cell phone from anywhere.
What the Sigma is so cool about manufacturing?
Still think my idea was better.